Today, I've been specifically asked to rate the Spicy McFeast from McDonald's by a guy whose wife is his birthday one of these days. So I decided to do that. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. Doesn't look too bad. Looks actually quite nice. Okay, let me taste it. This is one of the best burgers I've had this whole year. I'll give this burger an 8.5 out of 10. It's very nice. For $89.90, it's a bit expensive, but it's not so bad. Cheers guys, love you all, till next time.